Konnichiwa, my name is Jay. Welcome to our channel, GenXJ. This is the second part of the two-part series of the SwitchBot Smart Home Vacuum Cleaner review and unboxing. In the first part, I'll just click the link here or here. So in that video, we did a unboxing and review of the SwitchBot S1 Plus Smart Vacuum Cleaner. So in this video, we are going to do an unboxing and review of the world's smallest smart vacuum cleaner. Before we proceed, I would like to give thanks again to our friends from SwitchBot for sending us the two vacuum cleaners for review. And further ado, let's start the unboxing and review. So we are now going to unbox the SwitchBot K10 Plus. By the way, this is the right side of the box. You can see the vacuum cleaner in the dustbin. This is the back side of it. The features are shown. And then this is the left side, in which the bottom part of the vacuum cleaner is being shown. Let's open it now. Let's remove everything inside the box. Let's put it on the table. Inside the box, there will be a little info card from SwitchBot. Just read it. Also the links of their accounts. Also there is the manual, so I would suggest please read the manual, all of it, so that you will know how to use the vacuum cleaner. Also there's a spare rotating brush. I really like this little small brush. So inside the dustbin, there is a dust bag already installed. So this one, it holds 4 liters. So this is the installed dust bag. Also, there is a clear plastic bag in which spare parts are included. So let's open this one. Included is a spare HEPA filter in which you can change it inside the vacuum cleaner. And then this is the second spare unit for the dust bag. And also included is the 30 pieces of disposable wet wipes. So you are going to use this wet wipes during the mopping. By the way, this vacuum has a mopping feature also, okay? So it has included 30 pieces of wet wipes. This is the unit itself. Let's remove the clear plastic. It's very little. It's very cute. And it's quite heavy. It's very compact. So let's take a closer look. On the back side, there is a port for the attachment to the dustbin. So this is the right side of it. So this is the right front side of it. And then the next one is the left front side of it. And then this is the left side of it. Written is the SwitchBot Silent Tech. So this vacuum cleaner is very quiet. It is much quieter than library sound, so around 48 dB. It also supports multiple maps. It includes LiDAR for navigation. It also can be set up virtual walls via the application. And also you can set no-go zones. And this is the bottom part of the vacuum cleaner. The wheels are independently moving. Let's attach the brush. I really like the brush, especially this little brush. So it clears debris near the base of the roller. So this is the main roller part. Let's remove the cover and then the roller. And the compartment of the roller, this is a small hole. So this vacuum cleaner uses 2,500 pascals. It's quite strong for its size. So let's take a look deeper onto the roller. So the roller is made out of rubber and the brushes are made out of plastic. ABS, I think. And then this is the roller cover. So I really like these little brushes. So it is a well thought product. So let's put back the roller. Since the wheels are quite higher, you can see the unit can lean back. And this is the LiDAR. Let's open the top cover. So by the way, this is the top cover. Top cover is made out of ABS, good quality ABS. And then this is the on-off switch. And then this is the dust compartment. It's very small. And then this is for the vacuum motor. And then the port from the roller. So let's inspect the dust compartment. Very small. So there are instructions on how to open it. On the top part, this is the HEPA filter and this is the dust collector section. It's very small. Let's put it back. Let's lock it into place. And by the way, the top cover has 4 magnets, so it can be securely placed on the top of the vacuum cleaner. Let's now inspect the dust bin. So this is the port in which the main vacuum attaches. So the back part of it will connect to the dust bin. So it uses a 4-liter dust bag and it can store up to 70 to 90 days according to SwitchBot. Also included is a cutter for the hair. And this is the attachment for the mop. So you are going to attach this one to the roller section of the vacuum cleaner. And then you are going to use the disposable wipes. You will install it on this attachment. Let's remove it first and then attach the wet wipes. So you're gonna use the wet wipes for mopping. And then after usage, you just remove the wet wipes and throw it away. And that is it for the unboxing and review part. And that is it, guys, for the unboxing and the review parts. Proceed on the pros and the cons. Number 1 pro is that compact size. This vacuum cleaner is very small. Since it is very compact, it can fit into spaces that larger smart vacuums cannot even reach. Especially here in Japan. So Japanese apartments and houses here are more compact also. So this is a very perfect fit for Japanese houses. Also for those who has apartments on the other parts of the world and just wants a compact but full of feature and quite capable smart vacuum cleaner, this is it. Second pro for me is that it is packed of smart features, sensors, everything you can think of from a large smart vacuum. It has it. Thumbs up to SwitchBot. Congratulations for engineering this very smart product. The design is top notch. Build quality is top notch. Sensors are top notch. Hats off to you, to your engineer, SwitchBot. Third for me is that low maintenance. Since it has a self-emptying bin in which it carries 4 liters and it will be filled according to SwitchBot 70 to 90 days depending on use. So maintenance is very low. Next is that large coverage. Even this is a small vacuum cleaner, it can cover up to 120 square meters of floor space. And the last pro for me is SwitchBot's reliable support. This vacuum cleaner in which SwitchBot gives you a 2-year period warranty. I think that is it for the pros. So let's go on to the con. Number 1 con for me is the mopping feature. Because the mopping feature is that I'm not really sold on the mopping feature on this since it uses disposable wipes. For me, the idea is it's good on the engineering perspective. By the way, I am an engineer. I see it on the practicality side. Since it is very small, I cannot fit a water tank on the unit. Another solution is this one, so using a disposable wet wipes. But for me, since I want that my carbon footprint be a little smaller than my current carbon footprint, so I want my waste to be smaller each year. That is one con. But props to that idea, SwitchBot. I hope in the next iteration, I think on the Pro part, the K10 Pro version, it's still the same. I think on the next iteration, the next K series, I hope you figure out what's another best solution on the mopping feature of the K series version of the smart vacuum cleaner. Second con for me is like on the S1 Plus con. Since it uses a dust bag, you need to change it occasionally. So around 70 to 90 days, you need to buy a new dust bag and it will cost money. For me, it's a con. But on the feature side, I think it is, for me, inevitable. Features that it gives you, I think it is just the downside to it. That is it for the cons. So I have only two cons. The mopping feature, usage of the disposable wipes, and then the occasional purchasing of the dust bag replacement. Overall, the SwitchBot K10 Plus is a great smart vacuum cleaner, especially for those who want a compact size smart vacuum, especially for those who are living in apartments or just wants a small vacuum cleaner. It will occupy only a small portion of the house. This is a highly recommended smart vacuum cleaner. Before the Black Friday weekends, just check out the SwitchBot's website. Also check out SwitchBot's corner on Amazon. They are giving great deals, discounts. Just check out my description box below. I'll be posting the links for the SwitchBot Amazon links and SwitchBot's main website. Oh, I think that is it for my unboxing and review of the SwitchBot K10 Plus Smart Vacuum Cleaner. I'll see you in the next one. Bye. Peace.